everyone. Thank you so much for joining and tuning in. My name is Tim Kang. I'm the developer and founder of a new platform called multimedia.org. I'm really excited to present to you. And today, I hope to show you guys something really cool, something that you haven't seen before. But before that, I'd like to dive into like a short presentation to convey a concept around UX. Crypto UX in its current state is not mainstream ready. I've had friends who are college educated, who are tech savvy, who have tried to just simply mint an NFT, and they've just given up because it's just out of just frustration and the complexity. And so there's a problem here. But CCIP, thanks to CCIP and account abstraction, things are improving tremendously. So this is the old-fashioned way of onboarding a user. I wrote some steps here. You install a wallet. You write down 24 random words. You keep it safe. You copy the wallet address you get. You download Coinbase. You create an account. You verify your ID. You make a financial decision on how much you want to purchase or load up. You submit your credit card information. You then send funds from there to the address that you created. And then you finally perform your blockchain action, such as minting an NFT. And then you sign your transaction. So it's very, very easy. Now with credit cards, there's a credit card on-ramps. For example, like MoonPay, Alchemy Pay. They've made it a bit easier to onboard people and start this process, but you still have to create a wallet. And this is a wallet in the ideal way where we want self-custody. And so you still have to create a wallet. You have to, if it's a hardware wallet, there's more steps. And then you perform your action. You get requested your credit card information, and then you sign your transaction. So this is what I think is a bit better. It's a solution that's using account abstraction and web authn. So what that means is Face ID, Touch ID on Android, your fingerprint. If you're on a computer, your like PIN or passcode. So essentially, you create an account using things that people are already familiar with on the platform that people are using. Then you can link an additional device using like a QR code or secure URL. This is to pair multiple devices just in case you lose one device. Then you can start your blockchain action. You can mint the NFT. You can then submit your credit card information and then sign the transaction using Touch ID or Face ID, for example. And this is something I will demonstrate soon. Actually, this is what I will demonstrate. The best, in my opinion, way to onboard users. It's a 3-step process. You create the account, you perform your blockchain action, and then you sign. So 3 steps. And it's people will do what they're familiar with. All those complications are kind of tucked away. So CCIP has been monumental and instrumental in increasing the UX as well, and also the developer experience. Sergey actually had a talk yesterday, and he kind of painted a picture of like all the steps it takes to do a cross-chain interaction. Mine's a little bit more compressed, but I wrote 6 steps. You have to go to a bridge, you have to transfer it, you have to decide how much you want to transfer, you sign it, you wait. I missed a step. You have to switch the networks, then you start your blockchain action, and then you sign. CCIP has reduced this to just a single step. So it's crucial. It's like crucial infrastructure, in my opinion, for people to start participating in a cross-chain, multi-chain ecosystem. So this is just like a quick overview comparison. On your left, you see around 16 steps, 11 steps if you're using an on-ramp, and people have to learn a lot. They need to keep things safe. They have to write down a seed phrase. It's pretty complex. And on your right, with CCIP, WebAuthn, and account abstraction, it reduces it to around 4 steps. And there's nothing new to learn. So in summary, abstraction creates invisibility. We're all for abstraction. We don't want our users to face all the complications that these people that are working towards are trying to build. The goal should be to tuck that all away. Everyone currently knows that they use the internet, they use Visa, they have credit card information, they have, they know what money is, and they know what data is. In the future, I believe that people will just know that they use a blockchain, that they know about like account addresses, and then they're using money and data, and that's it. So thank you for listening to my presentation. I'm gonna demo, hopefully it works. So here I am logging into my platform that I've created. Essentially, when you register, it's the same process. You type in the username that you'd like. Oh, the audio is working too. Okay, and then you get a Touch ID prompt. So that's all it takes to log in. There's no emails necessary. Of course, you can use it as a backup, but all you need is just a device. So this is the platform. It's a creative content platform where people can discover things that people have published. These would be like different art pieces or something, photos people have minted. This is like an audio section, like for music. But let's get into the cool part that I was discussing. So this is a little like a cloud storage system. It's similar to Dropbox, but it's laid out as like a Finder window. You can create like folders and whatnot. So let's drag like a file in. So this is basically just to manage files on a very Web 2 cloud system, but it takes care of a lot of the Web 3 components to it. So I have this thing here that says ensure. I don't know if you can read it, but this is to ensure your asset to be permanent. So it automatically will upload and take care of the upload process to Arweave, which is a decentralized storage system. And here after it's done. So now like if you copy the link, you have it on Arweave. So it's very simple. And then you can actually tokenize your assets directly from here. So let's give this a name, random shoes, meme, hello. So I'm confirming, it's preparing the data, it's uploading. Wait, what? Okay. Sorry, guys. I thought I had it all set up. This is embarrassing. So I'm going to do it again on my developer environment. There's still some bugs, but let me do it real quick. What is going on? Oh, I'm on the wrong account. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, I'm going to re-upload the shoes. It's uploaded. Should be. I'm going to upload it to Arweave again. Okay, all right, we're back. Random shoes, meme, hello. So it's going to upload the metadata, essentially, and the asset. What is going on? Could I get my phone? This might. Thank you. Well, let's see if this works. Technical difficulties for real. And now the QR code isn't scanning. This is insane. We're going down. I really want to show you guys this, sorry. Wow. Well, essentially what would happen in the, that's happened, for a year without fail, really. I mean, of course there's bugs, but Touch ID would pop up. I would use my fingerprint and it would mint it. I hope you can believe that it works. Thank you all. Thank you all. But I think it's really cool. I'm very shocked that it's not working right now. But it works. It's like very flawless. You can really just have people participate in the blockchain ecosystem without doing anything different. The security is now on your hardware, on your laptop or your phone. So this is for low value assets. Of course, I'm not encouraging to get rid of hardware wallets. That's for your high value things. But for onboarding and getting people started, this is, I think, the way to go because it makes it very easy to participate in crypto and blockchain. Say again? How? Oh, yes, it is also for developers. So there's more to this platform that I've built. I'm shocked it's not working. It's crazy. But this is, the platform itself is actually a creative suite. People can come in as a developer, and you can dip your feet into creating visuals and real-time audio visuals is what I really want to build this for. For example, this is a little Chainlink animation that I've created. And if I play some music, it should be reacting to the music. I might need to change my device. I think it's working. Yeah. So this is basically a little code sandbox for people to create whatever they would like. It could be a 3D animation, it could be CSS 2D, but they can come into here, create some kind of artwork. It could be generative art, and then this platform will take care of all of the Web3 components where it'll package it up, it'll upload it, bundle it into a URL, which then can be used to mint as an NFT. So now it's here, this URL will load this right here. So it's it's a tool for developers, and I'm really excited to roll this out into a private alpha phase. So if anyone's interested in checking out the broken tech here, please definitely reach out. There's you can go online on the website and just type in your email. I'll see it. But it's dang, I can't believe it didn't work. That's so wild. Yeah, so, oh, I know why it didn't work. So I was uploading to a different blockchain. I was publishing to Optimism. I believe this is the problem. To Optimism, and I didn't publish my public keys onto Optimism yet. So each chain, you need an account on each chain. So let's try this again. Shoes, meme. This is so memey. There we go. Okay. Yay. Thank you all. Yeah, so essentially it is now publishing on-chain this token using just Touch ID. So if you view your asset, it should load. There it is. This is kind of like OpenSea or something where you can see the token, but it is minted on chain using Touch ID. This is kind of the publishing tool that I've created for people to mint things cross-chain. Basically publish onto my platform cross-chain. So you'll see here, like this asset is on Sepolia. I think this one is on Optimism. And it's made my developer experience much easier as well because I don't need to index every single blockchain. I don't need to create like processes for every blockchain. I have like a home chain, a base chain as Peter, CCIP lead, would say. I think he would call it your home chain. And basically everything would publish onto one chain, and then I would have to, as my servers would just index only on one chain. So it's made my like developer like overhead actually easier. So people, when they publish from any chain that they would like, they choose their chain, it'll go cross-chain, and then I'll be indexing from one chain. And those contracts will show from different chains, which is what you see here. Yeah, so that's essentially the platform. This is another like cool animation that I made. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm running out of time, but I appreciate everyone. Thank you for bearing with us. My name is Kang. If anyone's interested, I'd love to talk to you guys. But thank you so much.